Hello traders, today we want to talk about a stock trader clears a misunderstanding about the CCI trading. Stock trader clears a misunderstanding about the CCI trading. Alright, very often when the CCI is above the level of 100, you can see the blue line here on my chart. That's the level of 100, and whenever the CCI is above the level of 100, traders very often will try to sell the financial instrument. So the misunderstanding is that the CCI is overbought, and they are thinking that the financial instrument is also overbought. It's a very common misunderstanding about the CCI trading. The CCI indicator is overbought. It means something else. It does not mean that the price is also overbought. Now, when the CCI is overbought, but the financial instrument is not overbought, one cannot look for an opportunity to sell. Very simple, just to clarify that misunderstanding of CCI trading. CCI above 100 means that the CCI itself, the indicator is overbought and has a high chance to pull back. So the CCI is overbought. Therefore, the CCI will come down. But the only time that we will sell or look for an opportunity to sell is when both the CCI and the financial instrument are overbought. Sometimes, and very often, when the CCI is overbought, the financial instrument is not overbought. In fact, as I told traders before, the CCI is indicating to us, the speed of the price, the momentum of the price. Alright, so when the CCI is above the level of 100, it does not matter which setting you are using for the CCI, it means that the price is at a resistance level. But if the price breaks above that resistance level and find a support, we will buy instead. As you can see, the CCI period 30, you can imagine if I was using CCI 14, it will stay above for a long time. But here I'm using CCI period 30, and I'm on a monthly chart, and the CCI is above 100, indicating to me that the bullish momentum is very, very strong. The momentum has peaked. All right. Now, before we can sell, in fact, it's a contrarian trade if one is trying to sell when the CCI is overbought, because it's telling that the bullish momentum is at the peak. The bullish momentum is very, very strong. All right. So what we should be ready for is to wait for breakouts, bullish breakout, that we can trade. Now, in order to avoid this misunderstanding or to fall into the trap of this CCI trading misunderstanding, what I will say to you is that whenever the financial instrument is above a bullish trend, do not sell when the CCI is overbought. So here it is. So you see the first line that I draw on my chart, so connecting this low and this one, the price is above a bullish trend line. So when you see like this, do not try to sell when the CCI is overbought, like many traders are doing. You can do that whether you are day trading, swing trading, position trading. Very, very important. But you can see that the financial instrument became the bullish momentum was quite strong. So now if we connect this low here and this one here, you can see that we have a new trend line here that I'm going to color into orange. All right. So once again, though the price deviates from the first bullish trend line, is still above a new bullish trend line. So once again, though the CCI is rotating or is in the vicinity of 100, though the CCI indicator was theoretically overbought, the financial instrument is not overbought. The financial instrument will become overbought when the support that is supporting, you understand? So the trend line is supporting the bullish trend. If that support trend line or that support level, okay, turns into resistance, then we can declare that the financial itself is also overbought. So for instance, if the financial instrument drop down below this bullish trend line and then rally up to retest the final resistance there, start coming down, all right, that will constitute a bearish trend setup. So at this point in time, as the financial instrument display the first lower high, we will start saying that the financial instrument is also becoming overbought. So the CCI was first overbought for a long time. In fact, you can see that for many years, okay, was for many years, all right, for 2011. So if you are busy selling this charter communication, Epic CHTR, Charlie Hotel Tango Romeo, just because the CCI was overbought, is not a good time to sell this financial instrument. In fact, traders who understand the third area wave during the strongest phase of the bullish trend, the CCI indicator, like other momentum oscillator, will stay overbought. But it does not mean that the financial instrument itself is overbought. So the best bullish breakout will take place when the CCI is overbought, or the RSI is overbought, or the stochastic is overbought. So by using the bullish trend line, when the price is above the bullish trend line and the CCI is overbought, do not attempt to sell. The misunderstanding here about the CCI trading is that people are assuming that because the technical indicator itself is overbought, therefore the financial instrument is also overbought. But no. The technical indicator may be overbought for a long time, but the financial instrument will continue to rise up. The opposite is also true in a downtrend. And you will notice that the CCI will stay oversold for a long time, and people will try to buy, okay? But if the financial, in a downtrend, if the CCI stays in the oversold zone, in the zone of negative 100 or minus 100, if the CCI stays oversold, all right, and the financial instrument is below a bearish trend line, do not attempt to buy it. The only time that we can buy is when the financial instrument rises above that bearish trend line, break above, retest, and find a support, and start going up. That's the only time that we can see that the financial instrument is oversold, because it goes above, okay, the bearish trend line after a downtrend. I hope this helped you to clear that misunderstanding about the CCI trading. So understand, CCI overboard, there's a high chance that the CCI will pull back, not the financial instrument. But if the CCI is overboard and the financial instrument also is overboard, then we can look for an opportunity to sell. When do we know that the financial instrument is overbought? It's when it converts a support level into resistance level or start displaying lower lows and lower highs after an uptrend. The opposite is also true in a downtrend. All right, when the CCI is oversold, it's the CCI that is oversold. It has a high chance to go up. But if the financial instrument itself is not oversold, there's no reason to buy it. Most importantly, if the financial instrument stays below a bearish trend line, it's not yet oversold. It must go above that bearish trend line and find a support, and then we implement a top-down trading method to buy. Remember that sometime, okay, as it's going up here, the financial instrument may become oversold temporarily. So if it goes above that trend line, retested like this, don't think that definitely it's going to go down for a long time. A financial instrument that is going now may become temporarily overbought, but then the trend may continue. All right? The same thing is also true in a downtrend. And the financial instrument is oversold. It may become, okay, the CCI is oversold. The financial instrument may become oversold temporarily, which means it may rally up a bit only to be sold down. So for us that understand the Fibonacci trading, financial instruments that are going up, we use Fibonacci retracement. And if it start going down, professionals are watching the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. All right, so it's not completely bearish, okay, though the financial instrument is becoming overbought. If it's coming down, remember the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. If it's rallying up after a downtrend, remember the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. It may be oversold temporarily or overbought temporarily. Okay, this is the end of this short tutorial about a stock trader clears a misunderstanding about the CCI trading. Wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the CCI Pro Traders talking about stock trader clears a misunderstanding about the CCI trading. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.